how to change Coinomi password or how to reset your Coinomi password. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to change Coinomi password. So for that case, you just have to do is open up a browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So on the web address bar, go ahead and type in Coinomi. And when you open up the application, go ahead and press on the link or the first link. And here you need to go ahead and press the tab bar icon. And then you need to go ahead and select download, or maybe you could just go ahead and select sign up or login. When you go to login field, what next you have to do is go ahead and press on forgot password. As you do that, next field you'll be asked to enter in the registered email address. Go ahead and type in that. When you've actually provided the information, it's gonna let you know that the verification code or instruction has been sent to an email, which you have to go ahead and open up your email and then make sure to read all of the terms and conditions and accordingly set the password. So that is how you could go ahead and change Coinomi password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.